Hey there, YouTube. Scott from Horderside, back with another installment of shit I got this week. I'm still trying to get through a lot of shit that I picked up over the last couple weeks. Just been lots of stuff going on and hard to get these videos pumped out, but I'm gonna rip through some shit today. So, let's take a look at my first pile of shit. So, here we have a Roy Rogers comic. Issue, I think, 49 from 1952. This was part of a lot I picked up on eBay. I think it was a 5-book lot, and or maybe 6 books, and about $2 a book, maybe $3 after shipping. So, got the Roy Rogers. We've got a Hot Stuff. Walt Disney Comics and Stories. Porky Pig. This one was issue 69, 1960. And then another Porky Pig. Issue 61. Alright, now here we start another lot. I believe it was the same seller. This was, I think, 5 books. And after shipping, I know it was about $2 a piece on these. So we've got Bambi, number 3, from, boy, 1956. Issue 1 and 2 of Bambi, incidentally, were Dell 4-color. Looney Tunes 200. Francis, issue 863. Dell 4-color. Buffalo Bill Jr., Dell 4-color 742. Charlie McCarthy, Dell 4-color 527. And here's a biggie. Dell 4-color 918. Beep Beep the Roadrunner. This is the first appearance of Roadrunner and Wile E. Coyote. Coyote actually had a appearance in a Looney Tunes book, but he wasn't called Wile E. Coyote. So this is his first appearance as Wile E. Coyote. And this one was part of another lot, a 3-book lot I got from a different seller. I think after shipping, about $7 a piece, maybe $8 a piece in these. Dell 4-color 473. Dell 4-color 647. They're all pretty nice shape too on these 3. And 4-color 751. Our Miss Brooks. Okay, now also from the same seller. Oswald the Rabbit, Dell 4-color 67. This is from 1945. I think I got 25 in this one. Roy Rogers 109. Again, same seller. Another $25 book, I believe. This is Dell 4-color 109. Should be, I think, 46 on this one. Fairy Tale Parade. Dell 4-color 87 from 1945. Joel Walt Kelly. Dell 4-color number 87. Again, another somewhere like 1945, I believe. Moving right along, toss a few more in here. This was another auction, different seller. Raymar of the Jungle. And He-Man, #1. Not the He-Man you're used to, but it's a He-Man. I think I got about 15 bucks a piece in those. We've got Santa Claus Funny Dell 4-color 91. Cost me about 15 bucks. And I think finally for this batch, let's do Forward with Eisenhower Nixon. 1956 Republican National Committee comic book. One you don't see every day. And again, I think I had around 15 bucks shipped in that one. So it's a good little dent in my pile of shit. Good little dent. So we'll go ahead and call it a day on that one. Call it a day right there. I'll get to this pile of shit for the next video. Just a little sneak preview here with Safety Belt Man on the top. And get through that pile of shit, and then I've got some more shit, and I still got 2 bags of shit from the LCS. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, share, all that good shit. And until next time, I'm Scott from Hoarder's Hide, and I want to know what's in your hide.